Alright. Hello everyone, my name is Usman Ali and I have recently completed the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate on Coursera. And as you may all know that there is a capstone project by the end of the course. And in this video, I'll be sharing the presentation for the analysis that I performed, the insights that I found, and the answers to the business questions that we were asked. So just to give an overview of the Cyclistic project, we have been given a hypothetical company that's the Cyclistic bike share company. It's based in Chicago. It's a bike sharing company. It has two types of members, casual riders and membership riders. People commute. There are many stations in Chicago that people commute to, and the data consisted of the starting times, the duration. We could calculate the duration from the starting time, ending times, and there was I'm not going to go much in depth about the data as it may take a lot of time to explain. That we'll be doing in another video, but in this video let's just start with the analysis that I performed. So let's get into it. All right, so the business task statement. We were given three questions that would guide us through the analysis. The first question was, how does the casual rider differ from the annual membership rider? Second question was, why would a casual rider, choose to become a membership rider? And the last was, how could, Cyclistic advertise on social media to improve or to convert the casual riders into membership riders? So the business task, the objective was uh, is of this analysis is to identify key behavioral differences between annual members and casual riders in order to develop data-driven marketing strategies that will increase the conversion of casual riders into annual members. So our main objective and our main goal is to convert the casual riders into the annual membership riders. All right. So overview of the data. The data was provided by the course. It was made public by Motivate International. The data was from, I guess, 2016 up till now, 2025, the latest year of data. So I chose the latest year, starting from January 2025 till December 2025. And as we know, in the data, we have two user types. We have the membership riders and we have the casual riders. We have two rideable types, electronic bikes and classic bikes, and we have countless numbers of stations and ending stations, starting stations, and that. So just to give an overview of the analysis, the data we were given, I would be, showcasing the membership users in green and the casual users in red. As you know, our main objective, our main goal is to convert the casuals into green. So green is the goal we want to achieve. So, anyways, so by looking at this graph, we can see a significant difference in the number of membership users than casual users, almost 50%, almost double. And so the data was that we were given was around, for the 12 months combined, it made around 5 million, approximately 5 million trips. And these are the results of those trips. So we can see a huge difference in the number of uh, casual riders and membership riders. So there is already a large number of membership users as compared to casual users. Next, we'll be, analyzing the rideable types. So we have two rideable types. We have the classic bikes, we have the electric bikes. Now, as compared to the casual rider and the membership rider, we can see the trend is same. Both casual and membership riders are, preferring or using the electric bikes more than classic bikes. So electric bike usage is more for both membership and casual riders. Now, if we go onwards towards the towards the month-wise analysis, we can see the overview of each month's usage. So on the y-axis, we can see the number of trips, and on the x-axis we can see each month. So as we can see, starting from January till April, the rides are quite low, and then moving onwards, we see uh, a, a big increase in the number of rides up till October, and then there's a decrease in November and December. So this makes sense that, in the weather, when the weather is pleasant around the year, when it's not cold, when it's not snowing, people are people are better riding the bikes than in colder weathers. So as December, the drop in December is significant, then January is very low, Feb, March, and then April. So what we see is that, peak rides around warmer months. Most usage is seen in October. Now this analysis is for the year 2025. It could be different. The peak month could be, some other month, but for the year 2025, we can see this. And the best time to advertise, we can get an idea of, what is the best time to advertise when looking at the yearly season. So we can see, when the best time would be when the usage is increasing or, at its peak. So next we'll go to month-wise user type comparison. So when we compare the casual riders with the membership riders, the trend is quite similar. Warmer months, better weather, more rides, and colder months, colder weather, less rides. Uh, but of course, there are a lot more number of membership riders than casual riders, so we see a lot higher number of membership rides, member rides. So moving on, we can see the day-wise analysis, the days of the week, Monday till Friday, and then the weekend. So first, when we look at the right over here, when we look at the membership users, we can see that their usage is higher in the weekdays, Monday till Friday, and less during the weekend. So, and as compared to the casual riders, the weekend usage is higher than their weekday usage. So this gives us an idea of maybe the membership riders are using these bikes to commute to work Monday through Friday, and the casual riders are using these bikes to, have to hang out, to just ride around town during the weekend. So this gives us members are more active during work days, all right. Casuals are more active during weekends, right? So moving on, we can see the hourly based analysis for both riders, membership riders, and casual riders. Now, this is where, we see some interesting trends in the data. First of all, we can see that for the membership riders, we can see a hike around 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. So what does that, logically, what does it tell us? So people are commuting to work, 9 to 5, the work hours. People are using the bikes. The membership users are using the bikes to commute to work. And, we can see a peak around 5 p.m. and 8 a.m. And when it comes to the casual riders, we can see that, there is a peak at 5 p.m., around 5 p.m. And that's the time, the evening time, and there is no peak or there is no increase at 8 a.m. Rather, it's slowly, gradually increasing, up till 5 p.m. So this gives us an idea that, casual riders are starting the day off late, and, there are more casual riders around the evening time than in the morning or at the night. As compared to membership riders, they're commuting to work fixed at around 8, 9 a.m. and coming back and commuting to their homes at around 5 p.m. So next we have the hourly based, much detailed analysis of the full week uh, ride usage. So here we can see, we can see the members and we can see the casual riders from Sunday till Saturday, and for each graph is representing the full 24 hours, right? So if we look at the weekdays, first for the weekdays, the working days, Monday till Friday, we can see that the membership riders are following the same pattern. A peak around 8 a.m. and a peak around 5 p.m. Monday till Friday, similar pattern. And for the casual riders, similar pattern, evening 5 p.m. It's peaking around uh, that time. So you can see over here, peak, 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 peak. And as for the weekends, we can see the weekend is a bit greater than the working days, than the weekdays for the casual riders, as compared. But for the membership riders, the weekends are same both for casual and membership riders. Right. So next we can see the ride duration. Right. So the ride duration for the casual members is a lot higher than the membership riders. So casual rides are lasting longer than the membership rides. So, this gives us an idea that the casual riders are just riding the bikes for longer duration. They're enjoying their ride. They are not specifically going from point A, point B, and the end, but rather they are using the bikes for longer periods of time as compared to membership riders who are using the bikes for a significantly lower average time. All right, so what are the key insights and the findings? So the membership riders use the bike to commute to work. That's what logic says, looking at the trend and looking at the insights of the data. Casual riders ride more on weekends. Weekdays rides of casual riders is seen higher during the evening time. All right. Majority of riders prefer electric bikes or classic bikes. Weekend usage of both members and casuals are similar. Casual riders ride for longer duration and compared to the members. Right. Now, what would be the recommendations for the company Cyclistic or Mr. Marino, who is I guess, the stakeholder to whom we are, answerable. So, three recommendations would be the first one would be to offer seasonal or quarter year 4 month memberships and packages for weekends for rides in annual memberships. So, two things. First, to change the or to offer another membership plan that is not the annual membership but a seasonal or 4 month membership plan. The second is to, just add something to their annual membership plan that is some sort of package for the weekend rides. All right, so the second recommendation would be to offer a beneficial package for members who ride longer than 20 minutes or rides that start between 12 p.m. and 5 p.m. So as we saw earlier, the casual riders ride longer durations of time as compared to membership riders. So in order to convert them to membership riders, we can offer something like that in our annual membership that would, attract or fulfill their needs of the casual riders. So the third recommendation would be to start advertising around May till November. Advertise seasonal membership and ride packages offered in annual membership. Now, let me, give the reasoning behind each recommendation. So the first recommendation comes from this analysis. That is, as we can see, the trend, the greater number of rides are seen in the 4 months, July till October. So it only makes sense to, have membership for those specific months. People would, prefer to have shorter membership than a year-round membership, which they are not going to be using more often. So having membership for only those seasons can be much better option for season riders. And next we have the casual riders are higher on weekends than weekdays. Offering weekend benefits to annual members can convert casual to membership holders. So as we can see, the weekend rides for the casual riders are a lot higher than the weekday rides. So, by offering something in the annual membership that would benefit the casual riders for their weekend rides, this could convert the casual members into membership buyers. As they could see some sort of benefit for them in the annual membership, they would go for it. The second recommendation, it's coming from this data, that is the number of average duration of ride. So as we see that the duration for casual members is a lot higher than membership riders. It's above 20 minutes, and on average, the membership riders are riding around 12, 13 minutes on average. So casual riders have longer rides than members. Therefore, having such packages can convert casuals to membership members. So a package that would, benefit or that would save some money to for the now I don't know if Cyclistic bike share is charging the riders on the mile or on, per minute per hour cost. This that was not disclosed, this that was not given. So assuming if, they are charging for the time duration used, uh, the time period the bike was used. So this would be a good recommendation to have such package that would, benefit longer riders, long duration riders. Next, we have, as we see, we can see that, you know, the casual riders are increasing to ride from around 12 p.m. up till 5 p.m. So, some sort of package in the annual membership for those who ride between these hours, start the ride between these hours, could be benefited from. So, number of casual riders increase from 12 p.m. up to 5 p.m. So, having time-based facility in rides for members can convert casuals to members. So, uh, the third recommendation, starting advertising around May till November, advertise seasonal memberships and ride packages offered in manual annual memberships. Right. So, where is this coming from? As we saw, the trend in the monthly usage of the bikes, we saw that there's a increase in the warmer months or in the much pleasant weather, starting from May, June up till October. There is a increase. So advertising during the start of peak time usage will help casual riders consider getting memberships as the riding season is just beginning. So, by advertising such packages for uh, you know for the casual riders that would benefit the casual riders in the annual membership, that would definitely make the casual rider consider getting the annual membership because it's just benefiting them in a better way. Right. So to conclude all of this, we can say that cyclistics should focus on converting longer durations and evening casual riders by targeting their recreational behavior with digital campaigns that highlight convenience, savings, and lifestyle benefits for annual membership as well as by providing other membership plans. So first thing is to add few things in their already existing annual membership, and the second was to create another form of membership that is not annual, that is seasonal or 4 months membership, right? So that's all for the analysis. And if you like the analysis, please let me know and feel free to, see the GitHub link for the complete R script that I used and the analysis graphs. They are all uploaded in the GitHub link in the repository. So that was it for today, and thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you.